Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Today date is 11 September 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 10, communicable diseases. So this is a question which we have already discussed in the previous video, but we have not written the answer. So note down the answer. What are microorganisms? Give example. So microorganisms are commonly known as germs, or you can say bugs or microbes, which are living organisms and cannot be seen. They are so small in size that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. And some examples are, these are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and viruses. Okay, so now we will start writing the long question answer of the chapter. Take a screenshot. Next is long answer. Question number D, long answer. So question one is, how can we prevent the spread of communicable diseases. So student, meaning of the question is that what we have to do, that we can control the spread of a communicable disease. Communicable diseases के spread को कैसे रोका जा सकता है. Okay, so don't come in touch with the infected person, don't use the article of that person. Okay, keep the surrounding clean, always keep food and water covered, avoid having street food, maintain personal hygiene, trim your nails regularly. Vaccination is another way of protection. We can prevent diseases by, first point, avoid being in contact with an infected person. Second point, keep the surrounding clean. Keep the surrounding clean. Third point, always keep food and water covered. Always keep food and water covered. Fourth point, avoid having स्ट्रीट फूड. ठीक है, बाहर का नहीं खाना चाहिए. Fifth point, maintain personal hygiene. मेंटेन पर्सनल हाइजीन. ठीक है. सिक्स पॉइंट, वैक्सीनेशन is another way of protection. Okay, note down the answer. We can prevent disease by avoid being in contact with an infected person, keep the surrounding clean, always keep food and water covered, avoid having street food, maintain personal hygiene. A vaccination is another way of protection. Is it clear? So you can take a screenshot. Next question is, how do mosquitoes spread malaria? Question 2, how do mosquitoes spread malaria? So note down the answer. Malaria is spread through the bite of a Anopheles mosquito. ठीक है. When a malaria bite mosquito, when a mosquito bite a person suffering from malaria, it sucks the germs along with the blood, or these germs grow inside the mosquito body within 7 to 10 days, and this time is known as incubation period. Okay. And when now this mosquito bite a healthy person, then the germs enter into the bloodstream of that person, and this is the way how the mosquito spread malaria. So malaria is spread through the bite of the Anopheles mosquito. Okay, when a mosquito bites a person with malaria, it sucks the germs. It sucks the germs along with the blood. Okay, these germs grow in the body of mosquito. These germs grows in the body of mosquito in 7 to 10 days. This period is known as incubation period. When these mosquitoes bite a healthy person, the germs enter into the bloodstream of that person. This is how malaria spreads. ठीक है, you can take a screenshot of, okay, you can take a screenshot of this. Malaria is a spread, okay, malaria is a spread through the bite of the Anopheles mosquito. When a mosquito bite a person with malaria, it sucks the germs along with the blood. These germs grow in the body of mosquito in 7 to 10 days, and this period is known as incubation period. When these mosquito bite a healthy person, the germs enter into the bloodstream of that person. This is how the malaria is spread. Next question is, why does dysentery need immediate attention? How can it be cured? Okay, so dysentery need immediate attention because the patients experience stomach cramps होते हैं and passing of a stool. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा पॉटी होती है उसको. ठीक है, अब which result in loss of fluids from the body. फॉलोड बाय ए डायरिया विद ब्लड, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लूइड लॉस हो जाता है बॉडी से तो फिर डायरिया, फिर ब्लड भी आना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, ठीक है। सो इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू रिप्लेस द फ्लूइड लॉस्ट फ्रॉम डायरिया and it can be cured by giving ORS solution to the person in a regular interval of time along with medicines provided by the doctor. Okay, next question 3. why does dysentery why does dysentery need immediate attention? how how can it be cured? ठीक है, it means how can you control the dysentery? So note down the answer. Dysentery needs immediate attention because the patient experiences stomach cramps. And passing of stool which result in loss of fluid from the body followed by diarrhea with blood. So it is important So it is important to replace the fluid lost from diarrhea. It can be cured by okay, it can be cured by giving it can be cured by giving ORS. What is ORS? Oral rehydration solution. At regular intervals along with medicines provided by the doctor. Okay. So note down, dysentery needs immediate attention. Is it clear? Dysentery needs immediate attention because the patient experiences stomach cramps. ठीक है, मरोड़ पता है, पेट में बहुत दर्द उठती है. ठीक है, स्टमक क्रैम्प्स एंड पासिंग ऑफ ए स्टूल, बहुत बार उसको पॉटी होती है, विच रिजल्ट इन लॉस ऑफ फ्लूइड फ्रॉम द बॉडी फॉलोड बाय डायरिया विद ब्लड. ठीक है, जब बॉडी से बहुत ज़्यादा लिक्विड फ्लूइड लॉस हो जाएगा तो फिर जब स्टूल में ब्लड भी पास होने लगता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि जब फ्लूइड सारा बॉडी का निकल गया तो फिर ब्लड भी आने लगता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिप्लेस द फ्लूइड लॉस फ्रॉम डायरिया. इट कैन बी क्योर्ड बाई giving ORS. ORS is what? Oral rehydration solution. Okay, at regular intervals along with medicines provided by the doctor. So student, you can take a screenshot also. Now, next question is, what are disease by consuming contaminated food and water? So note down. What are the question number 4? Question number 4. What are the diseases caused by consuming contaminated food एक मिनट तो contaminated food and water. So student, what are the diseases caused by consuming contaminated food and water? Okay, so this contaminated food and water, this is mostly spread by the house flies and cockroaches. These are the unwanted visitors which enter in our houses. Okay, and if they come in touch with the food, so they spread the germs. ठीक है, जैसे हाउस फ्लाइज हैं, इनकी फेवरेट प्लेसेस क्या, गार्बेज, एनिमल एंड ह्यूमन फेसेस, यहाँ पे गंदी जगहों पे बेटा बैठते हैं ये मक्खियाँ. सो बिकॉज दे गिव एग ऑन द in these places. So at that time what happens, the germ sticks in their body, and when they sit on the food, so these germs enter in the food, and when we eat such type of contaminated food, then we suffer from different types of diseases like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, jaundice. These are the some diseases which are caused due to the eating of a contaminated food and water. Cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, jaundice, are the diseases caused by contaminated food and water. So what are the diseases caused by consuming contaminated food and water? So cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, jaundice are the diseases. These are spread by the contaminated food and water. So today student, we have completed all the book exercises of the chapter, and we also completed short question answer of the chapter and long question answer of the chapter. So in today video we have complete chapter number 10, that is communicable diseases. Thank you.